Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Solve for x using three different methods. X plus 1 to the power 4 plus x plus 5 to the power 4 equals 32. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. Method 1. Substitution. We let y to be x plus 3. Therefore, x plus 1 is equals y minus 2 and x plus 5 equals y plus 2. And therefore, the original equation will become y minus 2 to the power 4 plus y plus 2 to the power 4 equals 32. You do this because there is a kind of symmetry under the line x equals negative 3. Using Pascal triangle 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. We have y to the power 4 minus 4y cubed times 2 plus 6y squared 2 squared minus 4y 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 4 and plus y to the power 4 plus 4y3 plus 6y squared 2 plus 4y 2 power 3 plus 4 power 4 equals 30. This means that 2 of y to the power 4 plus 24y squared plus 16 equals 32. So cancel with 2 both sides. We have the following. And this means that y squared plus 24 equals 0. And that's right. Y can be equals to 0 because y squared plus 24 is always positive. Okay. And therefore we have the only solution. X equals negative 3. Next, using calculus, we let fx to be x plus 1 to the power 4, x plus 5 to the power 4. And we note that f of negative 3 equals negative 2 power 4 plus 2 power 4, that is 16 plus 16 equals 32. Which means that x equals to negative 3 is a solution to fx equals 32. Now we want to show that x equals to negative 3 is the only solution. Using the idea of calculus, we can find f prime x equals to 4x plus 1 power 3 plus 4x plus 5 to the power 3. When we expand this, this is x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. And for the other one, x power 3 plus 3x squared 5 plus 3x 5 squared plus 5 power 3, which equals 2x power 3 plus 18x squared, 70x plus 126. And this can be written as 8x power 3 plus 9x squared plus 39x plus 63. Note that when x equals to 3, f prime x is equals to 0. So x plus 3 will be one of the vectors and the rest of the vector will be x squared. This is plus 21 and this is plus 6x. And note that x squared plus 6x plus 21 is always positive. This means that f prime x positive if and only if x is greater than negative 3. So meaning that for x equals to negative 3, it is positive. Otherwise, the f prime x will be negative and this is shift of y equals to fx. So therefore, x equals negative 3 is the only solution to fx equals to 32. Last but not least, we use AM-GM Inequality. So note that 32 equals x plus 1 to the power 4 plus x plus 5 to the power 4. Using AM-GM Inequality, this is greater than or equals to 2x plus 1 square and x plus 5 square. Equality holds if and only if x plus 1 to the power 4 equals x plus 5 to the power 4, which means that x plus 1 equals to plus minus x plus 5. Therefore, x plus 1 equals x plus 5. Reject this because there's no solution for this. Or x plus 1 equals to negative x plus 5. So this means that 2x equals to negative 6. X equals to negative 3. Note that if x equals to negative 3, x plus 1 to the power 4 plus x plus 5 to the power 4 is equal to 2 of x plus 1 squared and x plus 5 squared, and both equals 32. So it also means that the minimum of this expression is equals to 32, and it only happened when x equals to -3. The interesting part for this method is we actually solve an equation using the technique of inequality. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.